The big moment has arrived. Come with me. First thing, we'll turn the heated on as well. We'll get a couple lights in here so you can see what we're doing.
I'll open the window.
So Dylan doesn't normally get to see this part. He's recording, so you get to see where the magic happens. And it starts with a bucket and a fork. Nom nom. And all right, so you don't have to do it this way. I just find that this is helpful with dissolving it quicker. So this is just the method that I like to do. But you just get one scoop. And I'm just gonna pour the water in, and I just kind of like, and then I use my fork to mix it, because it's easy for it to get clumped up. So it's just easier to do it this way and kind of mix it all up. And I let it fill up all the way. Good. See, so it's fully dissolved. And then I just pour a little bit in the sink, because we want to get this in the gray tank as well as the black tank. And then I come over and I pour just a little bit in the sink here, a little bit in the shower. Gotta open that in a second. And then pour the rest in the toilet. And it's that easy. No smells will be good for the whole trip, and that's it.